Which means, you know, she has to wait in jail until her trial.
That's what you get.
The December hearing did
somebody.
actually lead to a trial date. So the judge set the trial to begin on April 27, 2026. And prosecutors said they believe the case would take less than 2 weeks to present. So after years of legal back and forth, after motions, hearings, and privilege disputes, and public statements, this case finally has a clock on it. Spring of 2026. And I mean, honestly, the stakes could not be higher because if convicted, she could face life in prison. Her defense is still centered around the self-defense, but they also have pushed for the case to be considered manslaughter instead of second-degree murder. And the prosecution maintains that the evidence shows an intentional act, pointing again to the autopsy finding of a forceful downward thrust. And that couldn't have just been made from a knife being thrown from 10 feet away. And I guess
also, if it was self-defense, wouldn't she have marks on herself as well?
At this time, a jury will eventually decide, was this self-defense during a violent domestic dispute, or was it all intentional? And then, just as trial season was approaching, she walked into court last week and went viral once again. Because this court appearance was for, I guess, her motions hearing ahead of the trial. So this wasn't her trial itself. This was one of those hearings where lawyers argue about what evidence the jury will and won't see. And before the proceedings even began, she started making faces at the people in the courtroom. And according to...
Why would you do this? Actually, I can tell you why she's doing this. People like her, there are a lot of girls that are violent, aggressive, psychopathic, sociopathic, and problematic that get away with it because they're hot. That's the real reason.
Reporting from the hearing, Clenny was seen sticking out her tongue and puckering like she wanted someone's kiss. Like, again, ma'am, your life is on the line here. Why are you acting like this?